beautiful people, I'm Hui Ping for SPJ Quill. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about a quilling trick that I wanted to try, inspired by those who wanted to try out quilling but don't want to invest or buy expensive quilling tools yet. So I'm gonna use things that we can easily get from our surrounding. That is a toothpick to replace our slotted tool and see whether we can quill a perfect coil. Before we start, remember to subscribe my channel, please, and hit the bell button to be the first to get notified when a new video pops up. If you like this video, hit the like button for encouragement. Thank you. Without further ado, let's begin. The diameter of the toothpick influences how big the inner gap will appear. And so, I will use a sharp cutting blade to cut off some thickness of it to achieve a finer inner loop, because smaller inner loops always makes artwork looks more appealing. Try to cut it slowly to not overdo it. Cut 1 cm depth so it will suit all width size strip. Now, let's try to quill a loose coil and wait for the moment of truth. Wow! I'm satisfied with the outcome. Now let's use the quilling tool to quill the same loose coil to see the difference. Not bad, I will say. Now let's try to replicate the very fine range slotted tool. I'm using the tip of the toothpick. Carefully cut just a little more to smaller down the size. Again, let's quill a loose coil to check out the result. Voila! It works!